the wiring issue. Right deep in the loom here, the cutout switch, which is a black and yellow wire, it frayed through. I did keep the bit of wire, but it's gone, so I've kept it to show. Oh, there it is. Is that it over there? Yeah, there it is. Right. Wonder if you can focus on that. Let's get. Yeah, you can see that. So that frayed right through, and that was the black and yellow of the cutout. So we've cut that out. We've cut out the cutout. Yeah, we cut the offending area out, rewired it through. So now a cutout switch, and it turns off by the key. So that's a win. That's a win. Exhaust. I found a little bit of exhaust pipe, welded that on. For once, I'm actually not too upset about the quality of my welds. That's pretty good. That's ready to be refitted. Back wheels tightened up. Everything else seems to be working, so I'm literally going to get it bolted back together and see if I can ride it down the road. Let's do it. Let's finally do it. Here we go. She sounds all right. Let's ride it. Let's ride it. Back in the workshop today. Last night I had my first motorcycle thief encounter. It was quite fun. I decided to take the Suzuki to try and get some photographs to sell it past this MOT, and I got chased. I got chased by some balaclava bastards on moped, 2 up, no number plate, blah 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 blah. And quite honestly, it scared the shit out of me. Looking back on it now, I can laugh because I'm at home. I still got the bike, everything was good. But yeah, it scared the shit out of me. I found out the bike can do 75, which was nice. I can't believe people would just be that blatant about stealing other people's bikes, and now people are showing me like videos on TikTok and shit like that of people nicking people's bikes. Man, you scum. People work hard for this shit. What can we do? What can we carry? What can we What can we use to defend ourselves? I don't know. I'm not gonna become one of those people that carries a knife, because that's just fucking wrong. But I need something to defend myself. And the weird thing is, I'm riding a little blue 125 scrambler kind of thing. Lovely. I ride the Goldwing. Nothing. It's like I don't even register on their scheme. Fucking weird. Anyway, all safe. Stay safe. Love you all. So that's it. DR is sold. Put it for its MOT, passed no advisories. Super happy. Guy come round today, have a look at it. He's happy, it's being collected. Another one out the door. Really enjoyed working on that. It's a shame I just didn't have a use for it. It's never stopped me buying bikes before. I think if it was a different colour I might have even kept it. But there we go. Going to a young lad that unfortunately had his bike stolen. Fuckers. Right, thanks for watching. See you later.